Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we're going to be doing my mail haul Monday where I'll be unboxing packages from the previous week. When this video goes live, I'll actually be in Punta Cana, so I kind of like saved 2 weeks of mail hauls to kind of split them up for you guys. So expect next Monday's haul to be probably really big because it'll be 2 weeks worth of packages. But anyways, I'm so excited to show you guys all this stuff. And really quick, if you're new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then mail hauls every single Monday. And also make sure that you hit that bell notification. That way you're notified as soon as the video goes live. But yeah, I'm very excited. I also have my Ipsy boxycharm and Sephora Play that I'll just open on camera today because Sephora Play is so far behind. Like, I used to think Ipsy was really bad, but once I've been getting Sephora Play, it always comes like the last week of the month, and then favorites hits and everything else. So I've been a little behind doing dedicated unboxings. I will start that this month in January. We'll get back on track with that. But I want to go ahead and show you guys what I got. So let's go ahead and dive into this week's Monday mail haul. Okay. First package came from Makeup Forever, and I have not unboxed this yet. So I'm excited to see what they sent over. I love Makeup Forever so much. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it says, Happy New Year. We know how much you love shadows, so we're beyond excited to share our newest Step 1 Eye and Lip Primer and Artist Color shadows in shades that we think you'll love. The formula is pro grade as always, so expect them to have intense pigment and blend like a dream. Oh my gosh, so here's, ooh, the little thing they sent over. And yeah, it says, for creaseless 24-hour wear, use the new Step 1 Equalizer for Eye and Lip Primer. Smooths and fills intense color, works on all skin tones, $23. And then, oh my gosh, this is how many shades they came out with. I think that they reformulated their whole line. You guys know, like, when I first found Makeup Forever shadows, I went on like a complete binge. And then it has like a create your own. Oh, okay. I don't know if this is new pricing, but it has 1 single, it's $19. That is a little bit less. You can get 2 for $29, 3 for $39, 4 for $49, and then 6 for $59, which makes them $10 a piece. So I cannot wait until the Sephora sale. That way I can stock up. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it looks like a little present. It's wrapped with like a little red bow. So here is the Step 1 Skin Equalizer. And again, like I said, it is a 24-hour base for your eyes and lips. And then let's see. So here is, I think this is the one that has 6 of them. So here's what that looks like. And let's see the colors. Ooh, these are me colors. So look at how pretty. There's the shades right there. So let's go ahead and swatch these. I want to tell you guys which ones they sent over, but I don't know how to get them out without like breaking them. Okay, so the first one is like a bone color shade, and this one is M500. Oh my gosh, so creamy. The next one we have is M650, and this is like a very awesome transition shade, like the perfect transition shade. And then the last one is M608. It's like a really pretty, like, chocolatey brown. So there are those 3 on the fingers. Okay, and then there are those 3 swatch. I'm very pale right here, so you can't really see that shade, but then these 2 look really pretty. I'm the most excited about the middle shade. It's a really pretty transition shade. All right, next shade we have is D410. This is like a very pretty gold shade. Look how beautiful. And then we have ME302. Oh my gosh, I remember this shade. I used this in a look like in the day, and I had, not like in the day, like when I first started YouTube, and I used like a really pretty purple. Oh my gosh. The shimmer shades that they have are just sickening. Like, just a look at that. It just like melts into your skin. Oh my gosh, I need to pull out some of my Makeup Forever shadows. And then there is the very last shade, M847. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. Wait till you guys see this swatched. I swear, their shimmers, like besides Natasha Denona, I love these shimmers. So gorgeous. So thank you so much to Makeup Forever for that package. And yeah, definitely make sure you guys check them out. Okay, next package we have came from Becca Cosmetics. This is actually my first package from Becca. I'm so excited. Okay, so it's a little box that looks like this, and it says Becca. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the first thing they sent over are little Becca stickers, and it says Becca glow up, let it glow, and it has like little Becca products. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And then it says let it glow, may your holidays shine as bright as your glow. And I think they sent over a highlighter. So let's see. So here's what it looks like. I don't know which one this is. Oh, vanilla quartz. I think this is a newer one. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I have the rose quartz and I love it. It's so pretty. So here's that, and then let's swatch it. I love Becca highlights. Oh yes. Look at that pigmentation. Oh my gosh, it's so, so pretty. My arms look so bare because I don't have any like jewelry on. So there is that. And thank you so much to Becca for that package. I'm so excited to try this out on my face. Okay, this next package I believe is from Becca Cosmetics. Normally when it comes from FedEx and it's like a black box, that's normally what their stuff comes in. All right, so let's see what they sent over. Yes, it is from MAC, okay? So this looks like a little MAC like shopping bag. Okay, normally they like send information. It doesn't have anything on it. So let's open this up. Oh my gosh. So it says MAC and Beauty Blender, a perfect beauty pair. So basically it says 6-time award winner of Allure's Best of Beauty Beauty Blender applicators and accessories, including the sponge that everyone knows and loves, can now be found online and in select freestanding MAC stores. Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. To celebrate, we're sending you your own personal beauty blender to ensure that you have the most impeccable application possible for all of your favorite products. Oh my gosh. That's so awesome. Okay. Oh, they actually sent over a couple things. So the first thing they sent over is the beauty blender. It's a little black beauty blender. And then, oh my gosh, these are so cute. These are like little minis, which is perfect for my vacation. Y'all. So, sorry, I got like this stuff all over my hands. They sent over a little mini Fix Plus. And then they sent over, I think this is a MAC mirror because I actually bought this, yes, like a long time ago to put in my purse. I don't even know where mine is. Oh, then we have the MAC strobe cream. Oh my gosh. These, I'm like putting these aside right now because they are going in my travel bag. Look at all this black stuff on my hand. You can see like the inside packaging. And then the last thing they sent is like a little mini Wooby Roo. So, oh my gosh. Thank you so much to MAC and congratulations to MAC and Beauty Blender for, like, I don't know if they're teaming up or just like having the beauty blender in MAC stores. I think that's so incredible. And thank you so much for this package. Here's the next package. I think I actually got this like right around Christmas, but this is from First Aid Beauty. I told you guys I had been saving some of my stuff. Oh my gosh. Let's see here. First Aid Beauty. Wherever your holiday travel takes you, we hope that these goodies will help this season a lot more fab. Oh my gosh. Thank y'all so much. So they sent over, we have, oh my gosh, these are like travel size too, I think. So this is the Cocoa Primer Moisturizer. We have the Ultra Repair Cream, the Face Cleanser, and then they also sent the Facial Radiance Pad. So thank you so much to First Aid Beauty for that package, and these are gonna go with me on my trip too. I'm gonna like randomly put the subscription stuff in. So next thing we have is boxycharm for the month of December. Okay, so they actually sent this over. So it says Glitz and Glam, and then ooh. All right. Since I'm like not doing like a full-blown unboxing, I'm going to save most of this for you guys, but we have a crown brush. They sent over the Tartiste mascara, which I will probably use just because I need a new mascara and this is not in a box. Okay, I have to use this. I'm so excited. This is the Pretty Vulgar. I don't own anything from this line. This is the My Lips Are Sealed liquid lipstick. Let's try it on. I have like 10 lipsticks on. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. I am digging this. Yes. This is the shade. Oh yeah. My lips are sealed. I'm crazy. Oh my gosh, this is really awesome. I like this. It smells so good too. And then we have a blush kit by Real Her, and then Bella Pierre Cosmetics Pro Concealer. So again, I'm going to set some of this aside for you guys. Expect a big giveaway probably when I get back from vacation. I have like drawers and drawers of stuff for you guys, so I cannot wait. Probably giveaways every month, I think. All right, the next thing is actually something that, oh, don't hate me. I probably would have posted this, but It Cosmetics had a QVC special. Their QVC specials are always really bomb. So they had all the Confidence line like in one set. So you got the Confidence in a cream, the Confidence eye cream. You had the Confidence in a compact, the Heavenly Skin Brush, which is one of my favorite brushes for foundation. And then they have the cleanser. So make sure y'all follow me on like Snapchat and Instagram because normally I will post these type of deals, but they normally keep this stuff kind of like hush hush until it releases. So I think I'm a little behind on the release date. Then this is super random. I somehow got into this like blanket scarf kick here recently. I ordered this one from Express. It just came in today. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. Like you guys have no idea. I'm gonna put it around so you can see it. But oh my gosh, it is so soft. It's like wearing a blanket. I kind of want to like keep this on for the remainder of the video, but yeah, so this is just like I said, a blanket scarf. It's really big, but I did get it on Express. I'll try to leave a link down below, but I just want to show this because it came in and it was like sitting with the other Oh, bra strap. I just wanted to show this because it came in and it was sent with the other packages. Okay, other bra strap. Lovely, Danielle. Okay, next package we have is from Sky Organics. I need to cut it all the way up. Whew. Fragrance hit me out of nowhere. Okay, so they actually sent over some cruelty-free bath bombs, shower steamer, and bubble cake. What is a bubble cake? I don't know what the bubble cake is, but anyways, thank you so much to Sky Organics for this package. These smell really good. Speaking of Makeup Forever, y'all, I'm really digging this liquid lipstick. It's like metallic-y. Anyway, so Makeup Forever had this little set that I got around the holidays. They sent it to me. They had it on sale at Sephora, and I cannot even begin to explain how obsessed I am with this lipstick. It's like a metallic-y lipstick, and then also this highlight, and I think it was like $14. So I had to get a backup because I don't think they actually sell this one by itself. So yeah, had to pick up an extra. I also ordered, I think, a Too Faced mascara too, but it hasn't came in yet. Okay, speaking of Sephora, let's open my Sephora Play box. So the Sephora Play says Glam Straight. Very creative. Let's see what all is in here. Okay, so we have a Dr. Jart Tiger Grass Cream. Let me know if you guys have used this. That's very interesting. We have a fragrance. I never really use these fragrances that comes in this. Ooh, we have a Dry Bar Triple Sec 3-in-1. It says it amplifies, refreshes the hair. Just making sure there's stuff in here. But I think it's basically like a dry shampoo. And then we have, speaking of Makeup Forever, we have an Artist Rouge lipstick in shade M401. Let's look and see what color that is. I ordered one of their lipsticks and I don't even know where I put it. Ooh, this is like a really bright red shade. And then last two things we got in here. This is a Smashbox Cover Shot Golden Eyeshadow. Ooh, that actually looks very, very pretty. And then last but not least, we have a Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyeliner Pen. So that is my Sephora Play box for December. I wonder how that Clinique pen is because I love felt tip liners. Okay, and then we'll open Ipsy too. Ooh, the Ipsy bag was popping. That is very pretty. Oh, look, Madison's on there. Awesome. There's Madison. She's so pretty. So it says Snow Globe Ipsy, and everybody has like super fun like holiday looks. I like this bag. Let's see what we have in here. I'm just like dumping it all out. All right, so we have a Luxie brush, a beauty water, then we have a eyebrow defining gel, the Dirty Little Secret Fetch lipstick. I wonder if this is red, because if so, I think I already, oh, I broke the package. I think I already own this. Oh, this is it's an eyeshadow pencil. I cannot for the life of me get this open. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's like a peachy shade, and that is in the shade Fetch. So Fetch. Okay, and then we have, I think it's funny, everybody has like super red lipsticks in all these boxes. We have the Smashbox lipstick Be Legendary in the shade Legendary. And then, oh, I feel like there was, no, that's it. I was going to say, I thought there was one more thing, but that is it for my Ipsy bag. Okay, last but not least, Bare Minerals sent over this package, and it came with a brush. I don't know where the brush is, but it says Dirty Lemon. So it basically said a little skin and body TLC before the holidays. So one thing they sent over is the Bare Minerals Dirty Detox Skin Glowing and Refining Mud Mask. I'm excited to try this out, and I have to like look up to figure out exactly how to use these because it says shake well and keep cold, but it says charcoal. But I think this is a drink. It says filtered water, 100% pure lemon juice. So, okay, I definitely messed that up. I didn't know exactly what I was supposed to do with it, and it didn't say on the box to keep it cold. So, anyways, thank you so much to Bare Minerals. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad. Like, I swear me and Snow read the instructions on this, and we did not, I guess, go all the way in to this. But either way, I'm definitely going to try out the mud mask, and thank you so much to Bare Minerals for that package. That is going to complete my Mail Haul Monday. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Okay, I also feel like I have some in my eyeball. Wednesdays, okay. So they sent over almost, so this looks like, to celebrate, we're sending you your own person. To celebrate, we're sending you, oh. Okay, that was really awkward. A blush kit by Real. So again, I'm going to set some of this aside. Okay, this is, oh, and you guys, that is, oh, hair flip. And they're QVC. I'm so excited. Tomorrow is my birthday. So I'll definitely be like snapping and everything while we are on vacation. And I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.